Hi, greetings from San Giovanni Valdarno, a little town, province of Arezzo, Tuscany. I'm going to bring to you today an easy apple bread. Apples are in season this side of the world. So I've got 180 grams of white caster sugar. We've got 125 grams of butter, 2 eggs, 125 mils of milk, a lemon here to do some lemon zest, and we have a teaspoon of vanilla, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 2 golden delicious apples. The guys at the fresh markets on Saturday said that this was the best apple to use for cooking. That's it. So we're just going to start mixing. I have a few camera challenges today because the space is really small in this Airbnb kitchen. So I get my camera crew. Okay, let's go. Okay, with most of my cakes, we're going to cream the sugar and cream the butter. So let's get mixing. So that looks like whipped butter. Well, it is whipped butter, but it looks like cream. Now we're going to crack our eggs into a little separate bowl. And we'll add those and mix them. Throwing my shell around. Now we have our 125 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon of, I was able to get Madagascar vanilla, so it's really rich and runny, but any vanilla is fine. Adding our lemon zest. I've had to improvise here. We have no grater here for zesting a lemon. Scrape the lemon zest with a knife. So if you want to improvise at home, I'd suggest using a knife and scraping. It's very therapeutic. Okay, next step, we need to add our flour. Now we need to slice our apples, and then we'll add 1 apple to the batter now, and then we're going to add 1 apple to the top. Apple slice. Now we're going to toss it in some flour. A little tip from another YouTuber. Shout out to Laura Vitel's Nonna. Thank you for this little tip. Fold in, and that's it. We're going to put it into our cake tin. Just a teaspoon of sugar, zucchero, as they call it in Italy. Torta di Mela ready for il forno, or the oven. We'll bake it for 60 minutes and be back. Here's our apple cake fresh out of the oven, and I've cut it, and you can see here, not sure if you can see the close-up, but the apples are actually layered through. So that Italian nonna was right. The apples didn't sink to the bottom. So we're trying our Torta di Mela fresh out of the oven. You can see it's soft and buttery. Delicioso. So if you've liked my Italian special today, hit the like button. I'm really new to YouTube. I have 60 subscribers, but I'd like more. So if you're enjoying what you're seeing, hey, subscribe. So what that means is you've got to hit the subscribe button and the bell, and then you're notified when I have a new video. I'm roughly doing about 1 a week. Look forward to sharing more recipes with you next time. Bye.